Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Triple Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install Jenkins step by step. We will cover everything from installing Java to running Jenkins in your browser. Let's get started. First, let's make sure your system is up to date. Open your terminal and type this, update your package list and install the latest security updates. Jenkins requires Java. We will install OpenJDK 17, which is recommended for Jenkins in 2025. So run. Once installed, verify it with Java -version. You should see Java 17 installed. Now we need to add the Jenkins repository and key. Run these commands one by one. I will provide you the link of the commands in the description. This adds the official Jenkins repo to your system. Now let's install Jenkins. First update packages again, then install Jenkins. Now start the Jenkins service and enable it to run on boot. Now you can check the status. It is active. If you are using UFWI firewall, allow port 8080 since Jenkins runs there. Sudo. Okay, skip it. We will see it later. Now open your browser and go to the HTTP localhost 8080. You will see the Jenkins setup screen. To unlock it, run this command in your terminal to get the admin password. Copy this password and paste it here and click continue. Now select install suggested plugins. Once installed, create your first admin user. Save and continue. Start using Jenkins. Finally, you will reach the Jenkins dashboard. Congratulations, Jenkins is installed and ready. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Triple Tech and check out my other DevOps tutorials. See you in the next video.